You know how some people just seem so confident and unstoppable? Like no matter what life throws at them, they always land on their feet? And then there's the rest of us, stuck in our own heads, overthinking everything, doubting ourselves. Sound familiar? Here's the thing. Those confident people aren't magical unicorns. They're just working with their subconscious mind in a way the rest of us haven't figured out yet. But here's the good news. You can totally do it too. And affirmations? They're your golden ticket. Affirmations are basically little pep talks you give yourself. But they're not just empty words. When you say them often enough, they start sinking into your subconscious, that part of your mind that's quietly running the show. And guess what? Your subconscious doesn't argue with you, it just takes whatever you tell it and runs with it. Okay, let's break this down. Your subconscious mind controls most of your thoughts, feelings, and actions, even the ones you're not aware of. And the wild part? It doesn't know the difference between what's real and what you keep telling it. So when you repeat affirmations like, "I am capable and deserving of success," your brain starts believing it's true, even if you're not quite there yet. Over time, this shifts the way you see yourself and the way you show up in life. The best time to use affirmations is when your mind is most open, right when you wake up and just before bed. That's when your subconscious is like a sponge, ready to soak up whatever you tell it. But honestly, you can use them anytime. Before a big meeting, when you're feeling stressed, or even while brushing your teeth. It's all about making them a habit. Here's why affirmations are such a game changer. First, they reprogram those negative thoughts that have been holding you back, replacing them with something empowering. Second, they boost your confidence by reminding you of what you're capable of. And third, they shift your focus from all the stuff that's not working to everything that's possible. It's like giving your mindset a complete upgrade. Getting started is super simple. Just pick a couple of affirmations that resonate with you. Things like, "I am capable of achieving my goals," or "I deserve happiness and success." Say them out loud, write them down, or even stick them on your bathroom mirror. The trick? Believe in them, even if it feels weird at first. Trust me, it gets easier, and it works. Look, you don't need to have it all figured out to start changing your life. Just start small. Use affirmations to flip the script in your mind and watch how your confidence, mindset, and even your results start shifting. You've got this. Start today. Change your words, change your life. Subscribe for more tips to unlock your potential.